Welcome. I hope you're doing well today, and I'm super excited to talk with you about implementing Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2016. This new operating system is excellent, and so it's really important to make sure you have the foundations in place so that you can successfully deploy this to your organization. So more specifically, we're going to cover Active Directory fundamentals in this particular module, and it is going to be a fun ride. We have a lot up and coming, which I'll talk about in just a second. First, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Teresa Miller, and I am the founder and CEO of 24/7 IT Connection. Like I said, I am excited to share this journey with you. Lots of exciting things coming. So here's an overview. We're going to talk about Windows 2016 lab environment. So as part of this course, you're going to have the opportunity to set up your own, which is really important to making sure that you don't cause any inadvertent production outages. We're going to take a look at Active Directory 2016 from the foundations and the theory and the strategy behind it. But also we will unveil how to actually implement a new forest, and you'll get to see me do this through a demo. And then if you've got your lab environment set up, you'll be able to do this on your own as well and test it out, kick the tires around, and make sure that you have your strategy in place tested so that when it's time to put this in production, you are ready to go. Also, we're going to take a look at how to add a second domain controller. Redundancy is extremely important to any deployment of Active Directory, so that is something you will see firsthand here. We're also going to talk about the read-only domain controller, but also we'll deploy one. Sometimes things just don't go as planned from a promotion perspective, so I'm going to show you how to demote a domain controller. Now, that being said, it doesn't have to be a problematic domain controller promotion to need to demote. Maybe over time, you just don't need, let's say you have 4 deployed, and now you don't need all 4, you need 3. So we're going to take a look at how to demote. And then finally, we're going to dive into Server Core, what that means, and how to navigate it. So super excited. We have a large lineup of things to take a look at to get you started with the successful deployment of Active Directory on Windows Server 2016.